Message from the dark side there is.
Poor Chewie, he just can't take it anymore. Roar! Eep, 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 eep. Welcome, Star Wars Press. Again, Yoda lightsaber. Yoda. Matching twin Yoda. Yoda is twin because we have the same lightsaber, but mine's bigger. Today I'll show you around the room what Star Wars I have. I got Yoda, little BB-8, and BB-8 Hsieh to BB-8. Some figures. There's Chewbacca, Luke Skywalker.
The Force is with you, young Skywalker.
C-3PO. I got this big space pod that has 130 pieces, and I got kindergarten phonics, first grade writing, first grade reading, and first grade math activity Star Wars books. Got a Yoda box, Yoda suitcase giant, and my Porgy. I named it Porgy because it's kind of like a porg. We have Porgs here. Then I'll show you about the book. Porg, 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 porg. Say hi, porg, porg. First, I'll show you the back. It's gray, white. That's how the porg looks like, and orange feet, legs. The legs is funny. That. So, want to say hi, or are you excited to see Chewie in the book? Probably excited to see Chewie in the book. Red Porgy? So, let's go back there. And this video is about my new book. It's called Chewie and the Porgs. It's Star Wars bookie. I got my book of Star Wars. Oh, there's lots of Porgs. Help me count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 16 Porgs? Oh, there's more Porgs than that in that village. Today I'm going to read you the book, Chewie and the Porgs, one of my newest books. Written by Kevin Shinick, illustrated by Fiona, Hsieh. I hope I pronounce it right. I don't know if I pronounce it right. Okay. Turn to the first page. It's a story time for me. A long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away. Normally starts on movies, but it could go in a story. There was a planet so distant and so mysterious. It was said to have been hidden among the stars. The planet was called Ahch-To. And on this planet stands the very first Jedi Temple. Not many known of this accent. Mostly just the characters of the island, and now you, of course. The only other being known legend of this mysterious place is the man who crossed the entire galaxy to find it. Luke Skywalker, the last of the Jedi Knights. But this is not a story. What story is it? This is the story of the Porgs, sweet and lovable creatures that inhabit Ahch-To Island. The Porg have lived in peace and tranquility on the island for many years. Their secretary has commanded used by anyone. Disturbed by anyone. Until now, the Millennium Falcons has arrived. Through! Eep, cheep, cheep, cheep. They don't want to get hurt. One of the beginnings who exits the ship is covered in fur and unlike anything the Porgs have ever seen before. The young girl tells the furry one to stay in with the ship. The Porgs over here her refer to him as Chewie. They wonder if this means he is her food. They hope so, for they are very hungry and he appears to be bite-sized. Bite-sized. This will take some investigating. A Porg doing investigating? I don't know. Back inside the Millennium Falcon, the furry one, Chewbacca, the Wookiee, and R2-D2, a small droid, are preparing for the ship. Preparing the ship for the girl's return. Whoop, 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 whoop. Suddenly, the Falcon scanters detect nearby inters. Could it be Minox? Probe droids? Chewie goes to check out the station. Lucky for the Porgs, their camouflaging abilities serve them well. Camouflage? I didn't know Porgs could do camouflage. Anyway, not camouflage. One Porg there, 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 and another Porg there, and another Porg there. Not camouflaging to me. But Chewie isn't fooled long, and he definitely isn't bite-sized. Roar! No, Yoda. One Porg isn't afraid of a Wookiee's roar. Grumble, grumble, scree. But he is afraid of a Wookiee's grumbling stomach. Wookiee fun facts number 17. Wookiees are always hungry. But poor Chewbacca has nothing to eat. I see 4 Porgs spying on Chewie. That means Chewbacca. Chewie. The next day, Chewbacca sets out to find some food. Chewie is an excellent shot. Cheap, but certain invited guests making concentrating difficult. He tries to search for berries, but all he finds are Octane grubs. Wookiee fun fact number 35. Turns out Wookiees hate Octana grubs. Chewie thinks back to the time when Ewoks discovered a trap to capture him and his friends. He decides to build a trap of his own. He's doing that same thing. This is not what Chewie inspected. Cheap. Next, Chewie tries his hand at fishing. He decides to use the disgusting grubs as bait, but he doesn't get a nibble. Perhaps he should use some more bait. Never mind. The Porgs are eating all the yummy bait. They love the bait. Bait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bait. They all like the bait. Better luck next time, Chewbacca. Chewie then decides to ask the locals for help, but he learned that fishing season is over and all the fish are gone. While Chewie is away, the Porgs decide to do a little exploring of their own. Inside the Millennium Falcons, the Porgs have never seen so many flashing lights and shiny buttons before. Cheep, still as hungry as ever, Chewie returns to the ship, only to find a Porg party. Cheep, 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 boo, 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 cheep, 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 cheep. Oh my! Chewbacca had enough. Roar! Cheep, eep, eep. There must be food somewhere on the ship. Chewie desperately searches all the compartments until success! Loot puff cubes. Chewie looks around to make sure the coast is clear, and when it is, he gets ready to eat. Wookiee fun fact number 77. Nothing tastes better than warm meat toast. Blue puff cubes. Uh-oh, Chewbacca is not going to be happy about this. Good crumb. I love it. Yummy choo-choo. Poor Chewie, he just can't take it anymore. Roar! Eep, 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 eep. Then Chewie noticed something. The Millennium Falcon's landing strikes came down on the Porgs' nest, crushing the food they stole for winter. No wonder why they've been bothering him so much. Chewie gets an idea. He uses the Millennium Falcon's sensors to scan the entire island. Beep, beep, beep. And when he finds what he's looking for, he calls the Porgs to follow him. I see Rey right here. I think you can't see because it's so small. And Luke Skywalker. And how many Porgs are there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 60 Porgs like the cover. Ooh. He leads them to a hidden lake that still contains fish. Little fish, big fish, medium fish, tiny fish, any fish, rainbow fish, green fish, blue fish, yellow fish, any fish. Chewie feels much better now that he understands the solution. After all, Wookiee fun fact number 1. Wookiees have hearts of gold. Oh, that's nice. Ray's back now. Ray's back. Chewie and the Porgs enjoy their time together. They laugh, play, and feast. Chewie even learns a new way to play holo chess. So it's like fighting. So the Porgs' places is white and that blue one is black. I get it. But all journeys must come to an end. New missions will take us to faraway places and teach us new things. And on this mission, Chewie learned a valuable lesson. There are some beings in this galaxy who arrive with questions and leave with answers. And there are those who arrive with nothing. Well, Porgs kind of like this. I don't want to leave. And there are those who arrive with nothing and leave with new friends. The end. I read the full book. comment down below if you have my new Chewie and the Porgs book. And subscribe. Like and subscribe if you like the book and like my Porgy, Yoda, or any of my Star Wars things. So bye and subscribe for more videos, more storybooks, and like lots more videos. Thank you for listening, Star Wars fans. And tell me in the comments below if you are Star Wars fans as I. And tell me in the comments below too if you have this book, Chewie and the Porgs. And my newest Star Wars book. Make sure to share with your friends and like and subscribe. Bye. And may the Force be with you forever. Bye.
The Force will be with you always.